Hey everybody, how are you? I'm going to work safely today and have fun and learn. And most of all, I'm not going to break or lose anything because I'm not really going to do a whole lot. I finished up with that stitch length regulating lever doohickey, moved that out a little while, last video or one before. And all I'm doing today is very little because I'm still kind of on summer time, and I am going to be getting the cam stitch selector shaft and the followers and indicator pins and all that stuff up top again. But first I'm gonna just take this off because before I can put all that stuff in, I want to get the cam disc array out of there itself. That was loosened anyway, so I'll take that out. And I hope you're all doing well. It's warmed up, it's hot now, it's summertime. So that is out, and that should come right out. Just like that. All nice and shiny and clean. And that's pretty much the whole video. I know it's a really short video, but I haven't made one. I've been busy with summer and the other stuff that I do. And so it's really great to finally make a video because I'm usually making them every day, and I had a real big gap there doing a lot of reading and research work, and then had to actually do some stuff too. So it's been really fun, really exciting. Hope you gals and guys are all well. Thanks for stopping by. Please help out, subscribe if you can. If you can't, that's fine too. And you know what, I'm glad you're here. Peace, love, and happiness to you all. And see you soon. I'll be getting this stuff back in within the next, probably next 2 or 3 days. Cheers, amigos.